Luxury yachts, sailing in style on the world's most luxurious boats. For the elite few who can afford the ultimate in luxury travel, yachts provide an unparalleled experience of opulence and adventure on the high seas. These floating palaces are not just means of transportation. They are lavish accommodations, complete with the finest amenities and personalized services that redefine the concept of a holiday at sea. With stunning interiors, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking designs, luxury yachts offer an escape from the ordinary and an invitation to explore the world's most beautiful destinations in style. Here's a closer look at the allure of luxury yachts and some of the most magnificent vessels in the world. 1. The Eclipse. At 162.5 meters long, the Eclipse, owned by Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich, is one of the largest and most luxurious yachts in the world. Launched in 2010, this floating palace is equipped with 2 helipads, a mini submarine, and a swimming pool that can be converted into a dance floor. The yacht boasts lavish interiors designed by the renowned designer Terence Tisdale, featuring elegant dining areas, opulent lounges, and multiple guest suites, each offering stunning views of the sea. With a dedicated crew of around 70, guests can enjoy impeccable service and indulge in a lifestyle of unrivaled luxury while sailing the world's oceans. 2. Adzam. Adzam, measuring 180 meters, is not only one of the largest yachts in the world, but also one of the most technologically advanced. Launched in 2013 and reportedly owned by a member of the royal family of Abu Dhabi, Adzam can reach speeds of over 30 knots, making it a true marvel of engineering. The yacht's sleek and elegant design is complemented by luxurious interiors that feature contemporary decor, a grand salon, and sumptuous guest cabins. Adzam's impressive size and performance make it a standout among the elite yachting community, providing its guests with an extraordinary experience on the water. 3. The Rising Sun. Owned by music mogul David Geffen, the Rising Sun is a stunning 138-meter yacht that embodies luxury and sophistication. Launched in 2004, this yacht features a unique blend of modern design and classic elegance, with expansive decks for lounging and entertaining. The Rising Sun offers a range of amenities, including a swimming pool, a spa, a gym, and a cinema. Its interior is adorned with fine art and luxurious furnishings, creating an atmosphere of comfort and opulence. With a dedicated crew to cater to every need, the Rising Sun provides a truly exclusive yachting experience. 4. Octopus. Octopus, co-owned by the late Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen, is a 126-meter yacht that boasts an impressive array of amenities. Launched in 2003, this yacht features 2 helipads, a submarine, and a fully equipped cinema. With a capacity for up to 26 guests and 60 crew members, Octopus offers spacious cabins and luxurious living areas designed for comfort and relaxation. The yacht's sleek design and extensive range of toys, including jet skis and scuba gear, make it a favorite for those seeking adventure on the high seas. Octopus has hosted numerous high-profile events and continues to be a symbol of luxury and innovation in the yachting world. 5. The World. Unlike any other yacht, the World is a residential cruise ship that offers a unique lifestyle experience for its residents. Measuring 196 meters, this floating community allows individuals to purchase apartments on board and sail the globe while enjoying luxurious amenities. Residents can explore various destinations, from the Caribbean to the Mediterranean, while enjoying fine dining, a spa, and exclusive events. The World offers a unique opportunity for those who crave adventure and luxury, providing a lifestyle that combines the comfort of home with the thrill of travel. 6. Dilbar. Dilbar, owned by Russian billionaire Alisher Usmanov, is one of the largest yachts in the world, measuring 156 meters. Launched in 2016, Dilbar is a stunning masterpiece of design and engineering, featuring a sleek exterior and an opulent interior. The yacht boasts one of the largest swimming pools on a yacht, a full spa, and a helipad. Dilbar's luxurious accommodations can host up to 40 guests, making it perfect for lavish parties and intimate gatherings alike. With its exceptional design and attention to detail, Dilbar represents the epitome of luxury yachting. 7. Lady Mora. Lady Mora is a 105-meter yacht owned by Saudi Arabian billionaire Nasser Al Rashid. Launched in 1990, this iconic yacht is known for its striking golden crescent moon on the bow and its lavish interiors. Lady Mora features luxurious cabins, multiple dining areas, and an impressive outdoor deck with a swimming pool. The yacht's design reflects a blend of classic and modern aesthetics, offering guests a comfortable and elegant atmosphere while cruising the world's most beautiful waters. 8. Sarasa. Sarasa, a 130-meter yacht owned by the Nigerian billionaire Aliko Dangote, offers a unique blend of luxury and comfort. This yacht features elegant interiors designed by renowned designers, spacious guest accommodations, and a wide range of amenities, including a gym, spa, and swimming pool. Sarasa is known for its stunning design and exceptional service, providing an unforgettable experience for those who embark on its voyages. 9. Nile Cruiser. For those seeking a unique experience on the Nile River, the Nile Cruiser offers a luxurious escape. This stunning yacht combines traditional Egyptian design with modern luxury, featuring spacious cabins, a gourmet restaurant, and an infinity pool overlooking the river. Guests can explore the ancient wonders of Egypt while enjoying the comforts of a high-end yacht. The Nile Cruiser provides a unique opportunity to experience the beauty and history of Egypt in style. 10. Solaris. Solaris, measuring 140 meters, is a stunning yacht owned by Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich. Launched in 2021, this yacht features a sleek design and luxurious interiors, including a full-size pool, a spa, and multiple entertainment areas. Solaris offers an unparalleled yachting experience with exceptional service and amenities that cater to every need. Whether cruising the Mediterranean or exploring exotic destinations, Solaris provides an extraordinary escape for those who seek the ultimate in luxury. Oh, what do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.